Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Pick up yourself, pushing out early this morning, sunrise. We're gonna see if we can get some lure fishing in this morning, guys. It was never a planned fishing day because I have my personal things to do today, but I'm gonna get out this morning for an hour, see if I can pick you guys something up. Pick up yourself, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. There's a barra that's right below here. Let's hunt him this morning, guys. See if he's gonna hit this lure this morning. I like these high vis lure. Let me get out here. Get out a good distance out here, and then work it coming. Jamaican shore fishing. Let's work this water, guy. Water looks good, guys. Fish on, fish on, Barra, fish on, guys, fish on. He hit it.
You lost it.
I got him. He's here. Fish on, guys. Look at this. Barra, gotcha. Barra this morning already, guys. No, I got my string. Yeah, this one's lunch. He's good. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We got ourselves a barra. Alright, let's get you out of here. Let's get that hook out of you. Calm down, guy. Calm down. Calm down. You're not gonna get me with hooks this morning. Definitely not. Got you out of there. Good. Making shore fishing. Back at it again, guys. We changed spots. So we're here, guys, at one of our local spots as usual. See if we can get down on this water and see what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Like the barras are out today. Shore fishing here, guys. These birds are feeding over here on something. Hell, they feeding on. Has to be a barra in here someplace, guys. No? I see a barra, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on. Ooh, Jamaican shore fishing. Got him. Haha. Hooked. Got you, buddy. Got you. Knew you was here.